Alright folks, today we're diving into the ultimate muscle car restoration, a 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Yes, the car that defined an era of raw power and head-turning style. But, let's just say time hasn't been kind to this beauty. Here she is, a once glorious Dodge Charger now buried under rust, dust, and disappointment. The black paint? Faded, the chrome barely shining. And that engine? Well, it's more of a metal paperweight right now. But don't worry, this beast is about to rise from the ashes. First things first, we strip it down to the bare essentials. Every panel, every bolt, every inch of grime comes off. It's like archaeology, but instead of finding treasure, we're finding problems. Oh, and guess what? We found a bird's nest in the engine bay. Looks like someone's been living the high life. Now let's talk about the heart of this monster, the legendary 426 Hemi 5.8. It's been through some tough times, but after hours of cleaning, rebuilding, and tuning, it's ready to roar again. Trust me, the first startup is going to give you chills. Years of rust and dents have taken their toll, but not for long. After sanding, priming, and meticulous detailing, it's time for the showstopper. A glossy black paint job with silver racing stripes. And when the light hits it just right, oh man, this car will steal the show. The inside gets the royal treatment too. Black leather seats, a classic wood grain steering wheel, and a modern sound system to keep it retro but functional. It's the perfect mix of old school charm and new school comfort. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The engine cranks, the V8 roars, and this 1970 Dodge Charger is back to life. Taking it for the first drive feels like stepping into a time machine. The power, the style, the attitude, it's all there. We started with a rusted out shell and ended up with a masterpiece. This isn't just a car. It's a piece of history reborn. So, what should we restore next? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic transformations.